Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, specifically a new player that's been making waves recently, Worldcoin. So, if you've heard the buzz around Worldcoin and want to know more, you've come to the right place. So, what exactly is Worldcoin? Well, Worldcoin is a digital identification platform that aims to provide each person on Earth with a convenient way to verify that they are a real individual. It's a privacy-preserving digital identity paired with a digital currency, received simply for being human. A pretty bold concept, isn't it? Now, let's talk about how Worldcoin works. Worldcoin uses an iris biometric system to create a unique ID for each user. This iris scan ensures that each person can only have one Worldcoin account, preventing fraud and duplicate accounts. To incentivize adoption, users receive a few Worldcoin tokens as payment for participating, except in the US, where it's currently unavailable due to regulatory scrutiny. Worldcoin has been making headlines due to its ambitious goal to integrate its token into a universal basic income (UBI) scheme. This has garnered both support and criticism. Sam Altman, co-founder of Worldcoin and CEO of OpenAI, believes in compensating people for their mere existence, given AI's potential to make many jobs obsolete. Worldcoin is a game-changer in the world of cryptocurrencies. Its unique approach to identity verification and providing a UBI through cryptocurrency is something to watch. Whether it will truly revolutionize the crypto space or not, only time will tell. That wraps up our deep dive into Worldcoin. If you found this video informative, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring the digital future.